kidding me? Hello, good morning. My face is so much lighter than my body. Yikes, I tried a new foundation. That's not it, sis. Hello. I need to swallow that, sorry. Today's Friday. This is my first day off my internship because I don't work Mondays or Fridays, and it's so nice. I slept in. I accidentally slept through, well, not like slept through, but like, long story short, I had a meeting at 10, but I put it in my calendar for 11 by accident. I woke up on time to be there at 11, but then it was at 10. It's now rescheduled to 12. It's currently 11. Nope. Okay, anyways, 11:08. I have to leave in like 5 minutes because it takes me about 45 minutes, 50 minutes to get there. It's with my management. And then I think I want to go shopping later today because I've realized that there's not one piece of clothing that I have that I like. It's just all, ugh. I haven't gone shopping since this time last year. Also, I apologize, I don't make my bed. It's just the summertime and I'm gonna be in it in a couple hours, like on YouTube, so, or like Netflix or something. So I just like don't really care to make it because I'm like, what's the point? If I'm just, yeah. A lot of people get mad at me for that. Okay, here's my outfit. This is the only shirt that I own that I like, and it also gives me like armpit boobs, so I always just cover that. But it's from American Eagle. These are from American Eagle too. My hair is also super crazy. Don't tell anyone, okay? Like, keep it between you and me. My old phone is broken, so I got the new iPhone. This is the, okay, wait, that's my credit card. Don't look at that. This is the iPhone XS Max Plus or whatever. I hate it. I need to go to my filming room to get shoes. This is literally what it's like for me getting ready, just going back and forth. My filming room is a mess. Okay, what shoes do we want? Let's do, okay, I don't look super professional going to my management's office, but hopefully they don't care, which I don't think they will. These are my favorite shoes. They're from Old Navy. I kind of like this angle. What do we think? I need to bring my laptop. Ooh, I should open it and see if I have any pages open, because I probably do. Bye, puppies. Bye, I love you. My car is a total mess. I cracked my windshield. I don't know if you can see. You can't, but it's cracked from here all the way to here. And then the side of my, this is weird. This is trippy. But like, can you guys see? Do you guys see all like these little lines? Like there's, it like, I don't know how, but there's like so many little cracks everywhere. And I'm like, how is this happening? I don't know. Okay, I didn't open the garage door because I didn't want it to be loud. So I'll just open it now. Woo! I need to put it in my address because it's pretty far away from here, but it's pretty close to my old dorm, so I have no idea how to get to there. Oh my gosh, okay, can I just show you guys how close? Okay, cool, CarPlay, cool. I'm holding this decently far away from my face, and do you see how close it looks to me? Like, it's not zoomed in. Well, it is zoomed in, but like, I didn't zoom it in. Okay, I'll be there 10 minutes early. Perfect! Just finished up my manager's office, literally in the parking lot. Like, you can see their window right there. I didn't show it because it was a lot of legal stuff. It was like, I was creating a company. I didn't have an LLC before. An LLC is a limited liability corporation, and I didn't have one. Now I do. Well, I guess I'm waiting for it to be processing, but then I will have one, so. Woohoo! I really have to pee. I want to go shopping, and I was going to go to the mall by my house, which is like a smaller mall, but I'm in Scottsdale right now, which I don't live in Scottsdale. It's like an hour away from where I live. There is the Scottsdale Fashion Square, which is a bougie mall, and I won't buy anything bougie, but like they have like Forever 21 stuff, so I want to see. Oh, it's only 8 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna go there. What is he? Oh, I should be going. No, maybe I shouldn't be. I don't know. I'm gonna go. Okay, this is scary. Okay, please don't hit me. No one. Ah! Okay, sorry, I shouldn't be vlogging and driving. I'm out. I literally hate this mall. It's so hard to find parking, and like it's also so hard to find the entrance to this place. It's seriously such a struggle. Mr. Struggle. I don't like this mall. Well, like I like, okay, whose car is so loud? It's the guy next to me trying to be all cool. No. I hate this mall so much. I have no idea where I am. Like where in this parking garage. I have no idea how to get out. Oh, I just tripped on that thing. I also, is it good? Oh, you can kind of see right there. I hit my mirror. My car is like going through a week. It's, oh, you can't even see it, but it's blurry. But I hit my mirror on this thing right here. Who puts this thing? And this is like a really small, okay, the parking spot doesn't look small, but I swear it is. Mr. Struggle. I'm in American Eagle. I don't know if I like these. I don't think so. These are like a size smaller than what I normally get, and they're too big. My nipples are showing. There's so many people in here, but I kind of like this outfit. I'm not the biggest fan of the shorts, but I really like the way they fit. I don't know how I feel about these. They're like tight here, but then like, I don't think they look bad. I'm in Zara right now for the very first time ever, and so far I have, oh gosh, something just fell. I have 10 things that I want to try on, and most of them are white. I don't know, I keep doing thumbs up, but like, I'm in love with this store. I'm in Paxa now. Every single thing that I tried on Zara was so ugly. I ended up getting 3 things because they were the cutest of the 3, but I'm having like buyer's remorse because I think they're really ugly. I also have like horns. Now we're in PacSun. I still want to go to Forever 21, but I cannot find it in this giant mall. I have 5 things to try on, and they're all like really floral and cute besides this one. Excited, but I'm still really mad about Zara because everything was so cute on the hanger, but it was so ugly in real life. I don't know how I feel about this. I like it, but then I feel like if it gets scrunched up, I just show my food babies. Don't know. This is literally me in a top. I love it. Actually, it makes my boobs look really pointy. Do I love it? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know how I feel about this one either. Kind of confused. Probably should have worn a bra. I got a larger size than this, and I think it looks a lot better. I never know what size I am because I'm like in between 2 sizes. The music in here is so loud as well. I just met a subscriber. She was so nice. She's gonna be in Barrett, so if you're watching this, hey girl. I'm at Forever 21. I get so like vlog shy whenever like I'm in public. Oh, there's like sleeves to this. We'll try it on. Ooh, those are cute. I got a ton of shorts from American Eagle, so I don't think I need those. Anything that we see that's okay. I like the yellow. Pretty much everything I've gotten at every single store is a tank top, but yeah, that kind of sucks. I'm definitely gonna be doing a haul on this stuff. Should I get it? No, I'm totally kidding. This would look horrible on me. It'd be kind of funny though, but it would literally, oh dang it, I dropped something. I'll pick it up in a second, but that would look so ugly on me, but I think it's kind of funny. I'm back. I just got back to my car. I have no idea how to get out of this parking garage. I have no idea how to get home, and it's probably gonna take me like 2 hours to get home because it's 3:31 and rush hour. But I got a lot of stuff. I want to do a thumbnail right now, but the lighting is really bad. Cool. I need to get the directions home. I'm starving. All I've eaten today is eggs, and then I had like a piece of spinach, and I decided I didn't like the spinach, so I stopped eating it. And I tried to feed it to my dogs, and then I forgot that they don't like healthy foods. It was super cool meeting a subscriber. I love meeting you guys. Thank you so much for saying hi to me. It made my day. Let's see how long it takes to get home. Maybe there's no service because I'm underground right now in this parking garage. I have LTE though, but I have no idea how to get out. I want to go to Forever 21 at my mall because I feel like my Forever 21 mall is superior to every single Forever 21 ever. I only got 2 things, and she put in this tiny bag. It was a successful trip, kind of, not really, honestly. I'm at a stoplight right now. I feel really bad because the entire time I was vlogging, there was someone waiting for my parking spot, so they waited that entire time. Also, there's a Sprinkles cupcakes right there, and I really want one, but I'm trying to be healthy. And I also forgot there's an Urban Outfitters like outside the mall, and I wish I would have gone there, but everything's expensive there, so like I'm kind of glad I did it. I want a cupcake. Or a cookie. But you know what? I'm trying to eat healthy, and that's kind of hard. That's all. Hello? Hello? Ew, Lily's licking her butt. Don't look at her. Just look at, why? Oh, okay. The doorbell just rang because I got a PR package, and she was not having it. What's going on? Okay, she's doing it too back there. Wow, beautiful. I want to go to Forever 21 because I just want to see if they have anything else. Hi. And then I also want to go to Target because I want to buy a one-piece swimsuit. They don't have any of those. She got a package from Rimmel. It won't open. Hi. Hi. I love you too. Ooh. Okay, here's what Rimmel sent me. They sent me their Scandalize. What do we got the colors in? And black, nude, and jet black. Oh, it's blurry. Sorry, my bad. And then they sent me Scandalize and then eyeliner. Cool. Thank you, Rimmel. Love you guys. You're the best. So are you, Lily. You're the best too. You're the best too. Oh. Can you not stand it when someone else gets attention other than you? I mean, I can relate to that, so like, who am I to judge? That's what I thought. I want you guys to hear her because she speaks pig. She's not really doing it. Come on. I know. How cute is she? Are you tired? Planning on going to Target and Forever 21 tomorrow, but I think I might just go today. It's like 5 o'clock, so it's pretty busy. I'm kind of scared because I just ate like a ton of chocolate and grapes. I was getting healthy today, and then I just saw a bunch of chocolate and I ate all of it. I have a food baby. Zoe's never been to Target, neither has Lily, and I kind of feel bad for them because Target's the best place ever. Do you want to go to Target? You want to go to Target? Do you want to go to Target? Okay, bye. I'm gonna leave for maybe an hour. Don't miss me too much, okay? You guys are so lucky in my college vlogs that I don't have a dog there because that's all the content you would see is just
this dog.
Oh, bad lighting. No? Oh, maybe. So Target was a total fail. They only had larges and one-piece swimsuits. I have a ton of bikinis, but I just don't like have any like more modest swimsuits that I can wear around people's families. Target has been having like security guards at the entrance recently, so I don't know like what's up with that, but like they've never had that. Maybe they're having a lot of robberies or something. We're off to Forever 21 right now, and it's gonna be so busy because it's rush hour. Just found out I made Dean's List, but also they literally put my name as Acton, not even like Keegan Acton, but like thanks Amy. Woohoo! We're about to go in Forever 21. It's right there. Yeah, and I got the best parking spot I think I've ever gotten for this Forever 21 because the parking is normally horrible, but I've gotten the best parking spot. So happy. I'm vlogging my left hand. This is really hard, but so far I have a lot of stuff. Everything's, that's cute. I have a ton of tank tops that I got. Oh, that's cute too. But like everything in this Forever 21 is just so much better than every Forever 21. That's cute too. This is why I love my Forever 21. Lots of stuff that I need to try on. Definitely they're gonna be like, you can only have 6. Just got back from Forever 21. I got a ton of stuff. They changed their limit to 10 items in the dressing room, and I had 17. Out of the 17, I got 11, which it was $150, which is like a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but for 11 items, like that's a pretty good deal. So I'm probably gonna go home, probably do a haul for my mom, because whenever I get new clothes, she wants me to do a haul for her. And then my friend's coming in an hour, and we're gonna make dinner and hang out together, so that'll be fun. I'll probably just end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Get excited for the haul that I'm doing. I tried not to show you guys too many things, so I wanted the haul to be a surprise. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and I love you. Oh, also follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see Instagram pictures with me in these new clothes. There's literally a person that's like walking by and seeing me vlog. I'm just gonna like try to play it cool. They're like literally walking next to my car. Do you see the way they literally stared at me? It was so awkward. Follow my Instagram. I'll put it right here if you guys want to see me in all the cute clothes. Okay, once again, I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.